podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you add relative on your VCAP. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile and you go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this and you click here on edit profile. So then you come to this list here, you go down and you click here on profile. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to next pair. Just switch into open video and you click here on relatives here, just click on it. You click here on add relative here and you come to this list here, add your relationship, then here select relative. So you select your relative here, so select friends. I have no friends, but if you have it, just selecting this, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.